So problem number 7, using vectors find the area of triangle with vertices. Using vectors only you have to find what is the area of triangle, and they have given vertices. They have given 3 vertices, 1 comma 1 comma 2, a, b is 2 comma 3 comma 5, and c is 1 comma 5 comma 6. How will you convert these vertices into, suppose this is a vector, b vector and c vector, suppose, then how will you convert these vertices into vector is, if you want a bar, suppose you can do AC AB, or you can do BC BA BC, or you can do CA CB, your wish. So I am doing AC, then I will get, what I have to do is, suppose this is x1 x2 x3 x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2, this will be suppose x3 y3 z3. Then what you have to do, since you have taken AC, okay, AC, okay, since you have taken AC, that will be x2 minus x1i plus, what you will get, y2 minus y1j plus z2 minus z1k. Then find a bar, x2 minus x1 is 0i plus y2 minus y1 is 4j plus z3 minus z2 minus z1 is 4k. 6 minus 2 4k. Okay, then b bar, find likewise b bar. AC you have done, now do AB. What you will get, AB is equal to x3 minus x1 I plus y3 minus y1j plus z3 minus z1 k. Now what you will get, 2 minus 1 1, that is I, plus 3 minus 1 4, this is 5, sorry, change this is 5. Okay, here it is 5 only, there I have written incorrectly, so change that thing. 5 minus 2 is, this will be 3. Okay, 4j plus 3k. Now here I plus y3 minus y1, 3 minus 1 is 2j plus z3 minus z1 is 3k. So what they are saying, area of triangle is half into a cross b. First find a cross b. Find a cross b. How will you find I, j, k? Coefficients, write coefficient 0, 4, 3, then 1, 2, 3. Now I into 12 minus 6 minus j into 0 minus 3 plus k into minus 4. After getting all this, 6i plus 3j minus 4k I am getting. Then how will you find triangle? How will you find area of triangle? Formula for area of triangle is, area of triangle formula is half into modulus of AB. So first find modulus of AB. Length of AB root over 6a square plus 3a square plus 4a square. So that will be root over 61. So this will be root over 61 by 2 units. In case if they have asked parallelogram, means root over 61 units. Okay, problem number 7 is done. Let us solve. Let us explain some properties related to vectors. You should remember these properties because very important. Some vector properties, products, or some vector properties. Those are, first one is, if L is some scalar into A, cross B is there. Scalar A cross B is there. That can be written as scalar into A cross B, or we can also write it as A cross scalar B. Okay, that is a first property. Please mug up these properties, these are very important. And also A cross B plus C vector can be written as A cross B plus A cross C, A cross B plus A cross C, that thing you have to write. Then B cross A vector can be written as minus A cross B, that is very important. Then fourth one is, if suppose you have A, B, C under one particular bracket, that can be written as A dot B cross C, A dot B cross C. Then fifth one, A dot B cross C can be written as A cross B dot C. You can also write A cross B dot can be given to C. Then final property you have to remember is A cross B cross C can be written as A dot C B vector minus A dot B C vector. Okay, these properties are very important. You should remember these properties. That will be very much helpful. So let us solve problem number 8. What they are asking, if A, B, C are 3 vectors, they have given A, B, C as 3 vectors, and they are asking A cross B cross C. They are asking A cross B cross C. Can't you do that? Till just now I have said to you. Okay. So let us start doing that problem. Problem number 8. Problem number 8. A is equal to I plus J minus K. B is equal to I minus J plus K. C is equal to I minus J minus K. Find A bar cross B cross C. First you can find B cross C. Then find A cross obtained B cross C. That is one way. Another shortcut is A dot C B minus A dot B C. Okay, A dot C, first find A dot C. 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Total is 1. Okay, total is 1. 1 into B is I minus J plus K minus. Find A dot B. A dot B, 1 into 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 again. So this will give minus 1. So minus 1 into C is I minus J minus K. Minus of minus, this will be plus. So total is I minus J plus K plus I minus J minus K. So K get cancelled. I can be written as 2I minus 2J. 2I minus 2J. This is the vector of A bar cross B cross C is 2I minus 2J. Okay. Then problem number 9. It is very easy, right? What they are saying, the inner dot product of two non-zero vectors P and Q is 0. Two non-zero vectors dot product is 0. A dot B equal to 0. That means what? Then the angle between two vectors, can't you tell where A dot B can be written as how? Mod A mod B cos gamma. Then when you will get 0 over here, if cos will become 0, at which position cos will become 0? At cos 90. At cos 90 only cos will be 0. So option C will be correct answer for this. Then problem number 10. Problem number 10, what they are saying, for parallelogram OPQ are shown in the sketch. OP, they have given vector OP as AT cap plus BJ cap, that means IJ. Okay, then OR bar is equal to CT cap plus DJ cap. Area of parallelogram is, what is the area of parallelogram then? Mod of OP cross OR bar, that's it. So find I, J, K. Constants are A, B, K constant is 0. C, D, K constant is 0. Then I into 0 minus 0, 0 minus J into 0 minus 0, 0 plus K into AD minus BC plus K into AD minus BC. Okay. We have not done mod. Come on, do mod. Mod can be written as mod of OP bar into OR bar. Mod, area is mod, is equal to root over AD minus BC whole square. Square cancel. AD minus BC is the answer. AD minus BC, option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. Then problem number 11. The angle between two unit magnitude vectors PQ they have given. PQ they have given already, and they are asking you to find out what is the vector. So cos gamma you can write it as P dot Q by mod P mod Q. So cos gamma is equal to P dot Q. Find P dot Q. 0.866 into 0.259 plus 0.5 into 0.966, 0.5 into 0.966, because I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k. Okay, dot product means we will do multiply. Okay, 0 into 0, 0 divided by mod p is root over 0.866 a square plus 0.5 a square plus 0 a square into root over 0.259 a square plus 0.966 a square plus 0 a square. So cos gamma, gamma will be cos inverse of, you will get whatever the value you are getting here answer. So gamma is equal to, you will get it as 45 degrees. So option C will be correct answer. So this thing you can tell directly, area of triangle formed by tips of vector a bar, b bar, c. That thing can be written as how? Area of triangle, tips of vectors, how you can write? A bar minus b bar cross a bar minus c bar, as we have done previous problem, half into this will be the area of triangle. So option B will be correct option for the given question. Thank you.